So we're looking at Inherency in this short introductory tutorial. Keep in mind that we're in design mode over here, and as you see, your website does have different layers. And the way Inherency works is that each layer inherits the properties of the previous layer, but an inherited property can be overridden as well. We take an example of this by choosing the upper strip of your website, upper strip layer, and changing the color. And this will, the entire header part of your website will inherit the same color that we have set for the upper strip. Okay. On the other hand, we can go ahead and override the property that we've set for the upper strip by clicking the header part of the website. This is the inner header, and again changing the color of the inner header to a different color, and this will override what we've set in the upper strip. This is an exact example of inherency and overriding that inherency. Now, why do we use this? Because you can go ahead and design each part of your website, each layer, with text, with decorations, with colors, so that any widget you drag into that part will inherit the same properties that you've set. Now over here in text, for example, in the header, if we want to set a particular text for all items in this header, we just do it from design mode. We choose the layer, which is header, and we can go ahead and choose different fonts for the body of the text in these widgets and the header of the text in these widgets. And you'll see in a minute I'll drag and drop a text widget into the header, and it will automatically inherit the same properties that we've set from design mode. And you can do this in the header, the footer, the body, the background strip, the footer strip as well. There we go. We've just dragged a text widget into the header, and it immediately assumes the same properties that we've set in the header section of your site, as we've seen. Generally, edit mode. When you click edit mode, you can go ahead and override any of the properties in individual widgets that you have. So this is a text widget. We can click style. Okay, we can go ahead and click text over there as an example, and you can go ahead and change the text. Okay, for this individual widget, you can change the header text, the header, or you can change the body text to Comic Sans, as you see. And this gives you the ability again to set your overall design. But if you'd like to take certain widgets within that layer and design them differently, you can do that by overriding from edit mode. This is an example of choosing text. You can choose in text override, because the default is that you don't override it. So you can choose override to go ahead and change this text font size, and anything else that you like, given the tools that we provide you. We can even, from style mode, change the background color of this text widget. So let's choose a different background color for this widget. Remember, this is in edit mode, style, which will change the background color to this text item to make it different to all the other items in the header. This is our support page for Inherency. Please check it out. It gives you an idea about levels and different layers. Generally speaking, the rule of thumb to keep in mind is from your design tab, go ahead and choose your layer and then set your decorations and your text for that layer. Thank you.